My beautiful 10-year-old packing a huge order on her own. Flo is packing Katie's order. Nervous and excited to do it on her own. I'm so proud of the little lady you're growing up to be, baby girl. You grow, and as I write this I have tears, because time really does fly. It was just us two for so many years, my love.